Start it. There's a little boat. And she's gone. She's right back to life, son. Come on, walk. There, right there. Oh. That's over here pretty deep, honestly. I got a good shot. Look at the phone, man. You make sure it's video on that. Oh, yeah, on that. Anyway, Mandy. Let's go ahead and get her down here. Take off, son. Come on, Honda. Ooh, so she must touch ground soon. She's not violent. And guys, I highly recommend not doing this, because if you could do this, you could sink your stuff and mess up. That's why you don't let off the gas under it. Even though you don't do it on full or stuff. But still, don't do it when you're on an RC car, because if you let out the gas, it's gonna like, see, if you let off like the trigger when you're in the water, it could give it water enough time to get into the motor, and you don't want that. Let's just do it again, son. Even up. I'm telling y'all, we could put paddles on the sun. She don't back up, though. I mean, just to show y'all, guys, this is some deep stuff. Just raised the whole front of that thing up there. Snap. And thank you guys for tuning in, and catch y'all on the next one. Hey, and get 1,000 likes. We'll take off some stuff and we'll make it a boat, like a real boat, y'all. Might even, we might even take it to the deepest part of this and just drive it and drop it. And before we go, before I see y'all on the next one, I want to thank everybody for liking my videos and supporting me. That really helps out my channel. And for this last thing, we're gonna jump her off into the water.
Woo! Wrapping it up.
And see ya.